So I'm an avid jet skier, and I unfortunately don't have a place to store my jet ski inside, so I do unfortunately store it outside, so I need a very good cover. Now, I've tried lots of different kinds of covers, and they all work fine. Usually they are that kind of swishy tarp material, but this one I was really happy with. It was labeled a kind of heavy-duty trailerable tarp, and I haven't tried that yet, full disclosure, but it does seem like it would hold up to trailering because this is more like a canvas material, and it's really thick and really heavy duty, and I think this one is going to last me a long time. Comes in a really small packaged bag that you could probably fit inside of your jet ski if you wanted to do that. It also has very clear labels for the front and the back, making it insanely simple to figure out which way to put it on. It comes in multiple sizes, so make sure you measure how long your jet ski is to make sure you get the right size, and it comes with these really heavy duty kind of sewn in strap areas, which I'm really impressed with, which make it really easy to cinch it down so there's no kind of gaps or holes where water can lay, which kind of happens with some really cheap tarps. But so far with this one, I'm very impressed. It's definitely thicker, it's definitely heavier, it's definitely built way better, so I think it's going to last me a lot longer. I haven't tried trailering with it, but if you need one that's heavy duty that you can supposedly trailer with, this is one that so far I'm impressed with and I would definitely recommend.